Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn more about prototype, interaction, and animation, and how we can apply it into our design system. Now, basically, a prototype is a dynamic interactive simulation used to link design frame or screens, such as clicks, hovers, and transition. Now, what we're talking about here is how we can navigate or change from one screen or from one frame to another frame. Let's demonstrate this picture here so that we'll get a picture of what we're talking about. Now, if you look at this picture here, we have screen 1 and screen 2. In between them, there is a connection. Now, screen 1 is a hotspot. For every prototype you have, you must have a hotspot. Sometimes we call it the flow point. So if screen 1 is a flow point, before it will make any kind of navigation or changes to the next frame or the next screen, there must be connection between that screen and that frame, or that frame and the other screen. So this is the connection that will be connected to the screen 2. Then there will be destination as well. So this is how prototype works. We're going to explore the features and how we can, interact with screens or with frames from one frame to another. So in the next video, we're going to explain that in details. Stay connected.